Hello everyone, this is Dan here from Thomas Roder Support. I'm just going to show you today how to set up the Logic WordPress theme. Basically, I'm just starting off here with a fresh WordPress install. As you can see, it's just a basic 2012 theme with no content and whatnot. We're going to take this and make it look just like the demo for the theme. We make it very easy for you, so hopefully the next 5 minutes will show you everything you need to get going. Okay, to begin with, we just need to install the theme. Anyone who's used WordPress before will have a familiarity with this. If not, the process is very simple. Just head to Themes, Add New, and then Upload Theme. Within the package that you downloaded from Theme Forest, you'll see you've got various documentation, the demo data. What we're interested in is the actual theme itself, which is in a separate zip. We're going to go ahead and upload that now. Depending on the speed of your connection, this can take a few moments. As I'm doing this locally, it should be, as you can see, it's very quick. Now it's installed, we can just go ahead and activate it. And if we take a look at the front end of the site now, you'll see not much to look at really. There's no content and whatnot. We're going to go ahead and change that now. So in the admin area, just once you've activated the theme, you'll see a notice we're telling you to install some plugins. Basically, we run a couple of plugins which are required, and they sort of get the power behind the theme. The main one is the eBoard framework, which gives you the custom post types and whatnot, and the Visual Composer plugin, which is the standard page builder plugin we now use for our themes, as well as a couple of recommended plugins such as Contact Form 7, which is the standard for forms and totally free to use, and Revolution Slider. We're going to go ahead and install these now. The script which does all this handles the installation process for you, so you don't need to do each one individually. You can just bulk select the whole bunch, hit install from the drop down box and apply. And the script we include with the theme will go ahead and install and activate each plugin for you one by one. And again, depending on the speed of your server, this can take a few moments, so please be patient. Once it's complete, as you will see, you do get a notification on the screen telling you, and it'll just take you back to the dashboard, ready for you to carry on. So as we can see, as it's going through the process, each particular one is coming back being reported as being installed successfully. If you run into any problems at this particular stage, just come and see us over at the support desk, and we can help. Okay, so they're all done. We'll just hit return to the dashboard and take a look. We can see straight away we've got some extra post types here we can play with. If we take another look at the front end of the site, just so you can know what to expect, nothing. Basically, at this point we've just put the foundations in place to set up the rest of the theme. We've got all of the plugins we need ready to go, so let's go ahead and actually import the demo content, which we've made again very easy for you. Just head to Appearance and Customize, which is how we handle our theme options, and right at the top of the list you'll see Logic Demo Data. Just open this up. Now basically this is just a little blurb telling you that images from the demo aren't supplied. We can't distribute them for legal reasons, so what you'll receive instead are heavily blurred versions, and it's generally just a warning that the process we're about to start can take a while. On some shared hosting, maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even longer. Just the idea being, as soon as you click this button, just sit back, go make a cup of tea, relax. Don't navigate away from this page, and just wait for the page to prompt to let you know that it's complete. I'm going to go ahead and start the process now. I'll pause the video because this can take a few moments, and I'll be back to you once the process is complete. As you can see, when we hit the button, we've got one more prompt which just tells us that it's asking us if we've actually installed all of the plugins, which we just have. If you've reached this point and you haven't installed the plugins, please do so now. It is required for the import to work fully and for you to have all of the content that you've seen in the demo. So yeah, we've done all that, so let's hit OK, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, that's all done. Now we've just had a prompt pop up on the screen telling us that it's all imported. We'll get rid of that and we'll head back to the options. We're finished with that now, and if we take another look at the front end of the site, you'll see kind of getting there. There's a little bit more content. There's just some blog posts from the demo. Crucially, you'll notice that there isn't actually the same homepage you would have seen, but that's what we're going to change next. So a couple of things to go through just before you're ready to go. First thing, we'll set up the permalinks. Generally just for SEO and whatnot, it's best to head to settings, permalinks, and choose post name. Obviously you're welcome to use what you want here, but that is what I would recommend. We'll just save that, and we're going to select the home page, which will probably be the biggest impact, and we're going to head to settings, reading, and here we just choose what the front end displays. We don't want the latest post, which is what we can see there. We're going to change that for a static page, and because we've run the import, we can see all of the pages from the demo are ready to go. So let's let's go ahead and slap that one in there, and we'll choose blog. Okay, if we have a look at the front end again, okay, so yeah, we can see there that's just like the featured homepage from the demo. Let's try a different one, background video for instance. Take another look. There we are. We can see it's all ready to go. Now the last thing we want to do is just set up a menu, because at the moment there's nothing there, and again because we've already run the demo import process, we should have a menu ready to go. So we'll head to Appearance, Menus, and just so we can handle them all in one go, we'll hit Manage Locations here, and we'll set the standard navigation to, unsurprisingly, standard navigation, and footer to footer. Now these, you won't have these if you haven't run the demo import, so obviously I suggest you go back and run that now, just so you've got everything set up for you. If we just hit save and take one last look at the front end, if we refresh, you can see here we've got the menu and everything else as we expect. Obviously if you run into any problems, then just come and see us over at the support desk. Obviously we're happy to help. Thanks for watching.